Hi guys, quick one. I'm going to do a series of three, one that talks about each of the different things here just so that they're short, and then you can adjust, you can go to whichever one you want. So this one I'm going to talk about how to find those x-intercepts from your function. I spoke a little bit about it in today's Zoom lesson. If you did not, there were a lot of people who weren't there, or if you missed it, or if you just need to go back and review, that's what this is for. So you'll notice that here are my x-intercepts. You can see those here and here. My x-intercept's negative 4, 0, 2, 0. Please make sure that the y is 0. That's how you know it's an x-intercept, is because you're on the x-axis when y is 0. So negative 4, and I have a negative 4 because negative 4 plus 4 is 0. 2, because 2 minus 2 is 0, and that's what's going to make this whole thing equal 0. So that's what you're looking for when you're filling in these. So all I'm going to do in this screencast is complete this column just by looking here. So you have these factors. X is a factor and x plus 4 is a factor. So when I'm looking for what values are going to, what values of x are going to make this equal to 0, well, one of them is 0. Y is always 0. The other one is going to be negative 4 because negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So that's why I have 0 and negative 4. And that's why we become those opposites. So this one's similar. I still have 0, 0. For this one, 0 times whatever this is going to be 0. And if I put 4 in here this time, not negative 4 like I had up here, but 4, because 4 minus 4 is 0. And I get 4, 0. Down here with this one, again, 2 times 0. So again, you'll start to see a pattern, I hope, in what they look like. If all I have is that term that's out front, just that x piece, whether it's 2x or x or 3x or 1/2 x, x is 0. That's what that's talking about. And then this one is going to be what? 3. So I got 3, 0. Here I've got two different numbers here. One of them is not going to be 0 this time. So here, what I'm looking to do is complete this by going, what plus 3 is 0? Negative 3, 0. Okay. And then what minus 5? So that's got to be 5. So we're looking kind of as opposites, but not always opposites. It's whatever's going to make it equal to 0. It's called the zero product property. So here, similar to what we had up in the top, what minus 4 is 0 is 0. Sorry, is 4. And what plus 4 is 0 is negative 4. And if you had done the Desmos on those, you would see that that's where those parabolas intersected the x-axis. So I'm going to stop here. I'm going to do another short screencast and label it for the y-intercept, and then I'm going to do another one to talk about how to find that x-coordinate of your vertex. So I'm going to stop this now. If you need the other ones, you can go on and look at them later, and I will be putting this in this week's folder. Bye.